Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to make your Minecraft run faster. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So in this video we are going to discuss how you can make your Minecraft players run in maximum speed or run a bit faster. So this is a one command method where you need to type in a command called effect give. Then you need to select a player, or you can select all the entities that are present in Minecraft. Then once you have selected one of the person or one of the players, then you can simply type on Minecraft speed. Then after typing Minecraft speed, you need to select the speed mode. You can make it infinite, you can make it 60, 9900, 1000, however or how much you want to select. And after doing this, you can simply select all the commands to repeat unconditional always active and hit the done button, and you are all set. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.